Hello, students! Today, I am doing an experiment. Let me show you the materials I need. For the experiment, I need water, a glass, a plate, a spoon, and a spice. I am using red pepper. In this experiment, we are going to see if the water mixes with the pepper and if we can separate them after we finish. The first step is to pour water into the glass. Next, we will take the spoon and add 1 spoonful of pepper to the glass. Does the pepper mix with the water? Yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Now it's time for part 2 of the experiment. Now that we have mixed the pepper with the water, we need to separate it. So take your spoon and your plate and let's separate. As you can see, I've separated a lot of the pepper, but it's difficult to separate all of the pepper. Now, scientists, it's your turn to try your own experiment. You can use different materials like black pepper or rice and see if they mix and separate from the water. You experiment and find out. Good luck, scientists!